Okay, we should be on page 40 of our Revit 2008 workbook. And what we're going to do in this middle of exercise 2 is we're going to add a deck and curtain wall on the second floor west side. So we're going to rotate the view as we see here. Alright, so go ahead and spin it around. We want to see the door and the window. There we go. And we're going to select the roof here. Select the brick wall and select detach and select the roof, and there it should drop. Okay, so we want to right click and hit the properties and then change the top constraint value. So find the top constraint, unconnected, and up to level 2, and the top offset field to 4 inches. Select OK. So then we're going to go ahead to 31 on page 41 and add a curtain wall. So go ahead, select level 2, and we'll go ahead and select the wall. And we'll change the type to exterior glazing, which is a glass wall. And then go ahead and select from unconnected to level 3, and then go ahead and draw a line and go ahead and open up the 3D view, and there is a curtain wall. So then go ahead and in the families, select walls, curtain wall, and then select exterior glazing, and then click the properties, and you want to match this up to everything that is on page 42 of the document. So then in the horizontal, it has asked us to make it 3 feet 6 inches. And make sure the vertical grid is spacing at 6 feet. And then go ahead and select OK. Alright, then it asks us to attach the curtain wall to the roof. So get a view where you can see your roof and your inside of your house. Select the curtain wall, attach, and go ahead and click your roof. And there you have it. Then in the next section we need to add a door to the curtain wall so these lovely people can come outside and get some sun. So go ahead and select the floor plan level 1. Then go ahead and select the section. And then go ahead and select the section we just made. We should see the view there. And one of the things it wants you to notice is if you can change the direction of the section which is actually a pretty neat feature. So hit the control button. Let's go ahead and select the floors. And it wants to verify that they are generic 12-inch. And they are. Okay, now we need to remove some segments so we can put the door in. So go ahead and select part of the glass and hit add or remove segments. And then select, you should be able to remove that segment by clicking onto it. And then hold the control key down and we're going to select the perimeter here where we're going to put our door. So just go ahead and drag around, it's probably the easiest way to do it. And then select the properties. Once you get the property selected, hit load. And we want to find the systems panel. So in the doors, find the curtain wall double glass. There we go. Select open. Load. Select OK. And voila. Amazing. And go ahead and get that in a 3D view. And inspect the work. And make sure you save it and you've completed the portion of the exercise where you're adding a door to the curtain wall. Alright, so go ahead on the windows and select close hidden windows. This will free up our memory for us. It's closing windows that we're not using. And then go ahead and open up the floor plan level 1. And we should be on page 47 of our workbook on number 48. And we'll go on the window menu and click tile. So let's go ahead and do that. Alright, you see all the views there now. And I'm going to go ahead and delete this one. So go ahead and in the floor plan, select everything, go around everything, and we're going to filter it. Select the filter, and the only thing that we want to leave on is the windows checkbox. Okay. Say alright. And it wants us to hold the shift key down and select these 3 windows. And we're going to select on the edit menu, copy to the clipboard, and then paste aligned. Select levels by name, level 2. OK. Okay, then the last thing we're going to do here is go onto the floor plan, go on site, and we're going to add site walls. Select the wall, generic, Okay, so generic, and then height unconnected 4 feet. Shape rectangular. Okay, let's select the north wall. Edit profile. Alright, and then you guys can go ahead and finish up this exercise and fix up the wall as they want to. And that is the end of exercise unit 2. So go ahead and save your work.